Good afternoon. No, it's not a good afternoon, right? It is a good evening. A very warm good evening to one and all present here. Starting with a respected jury and each and every one of you present here. First of all, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be standing here in this huge platform and introducing myself. Starting with myself, first comes this beautiful land where I was born in, which is Karbi here itself. My name is Charne Kropi. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing my education in the Bachelor of Arts in Difu Government College. I nominated myself as a candidate for Miss KYF 2022 because, according to me, I believe that in life, one can always make a bigger and a stronger comeback. Even after a failure, the spirit of never giving up should always be with us. All you need is to trust in yourself because trust is the biggest favor you could do to yourself. Remember, you're unique, you're important. Be unapologetically you because there is going to be no one like you ever again. Thank you.